Hi, my name is Aman. Welcome to my English class. Today's lesson, I am going to teach you how to make yes-no question. As you know, we have two types of question, WA question and yes-no question. WA questions, all are the questions that starts with WH word like, which, when, what, why, and how. Okay? Yes-no question, all are the questions that start with verb to be, helping verb, do, does, or did, auxiliary verb. Yes, so that is yes-no question. So after my lesson, you can write yes-no question correctly. Okay, because I have observed that there are a lot of Cambodian students. They make confusing how to use making yes-no question by selecting auxiliary verb, helping verb, or modal verb is a messing ways. Okay, so today I have a very clear instruction. I am guaranteed 100% that you understand how to make yes-no question. Okay, please go with me. Okay, so here are the sentences. Okay, and this part I am going to write yes-no question, and I will analyze clearly how to make yes-no question. Okay, so first we go to the sentences. Okay, so please everyone, when you make yes-no question, please observe in the sentence. If your sentence with verb to be, okay, if a sentence used with verb to be, when you make yes-no question, you must start with verb to be. Okay, so let's read the example here. You are a student. Okay, you are a student. So in this sentence, verb to be is are. Okay, you can see here, verb to be is are. So to make yes-no question, you must start with verb to be. Okay, so you start with are. Okay, are you a student? Yes, that is yes-no question. Okay, so move to sentence number 2. It is in the bathroom. Okay, so verb to be in the sentence is. So to make yes-no question, verb to be start first. Okay, so is it in the bathroom? Yeah, is it in the bathroom? Okay, so sentence number 3. He was late last night. Okay, he was late last night. So in this sentence, the verb to be is was. Okay, was in past tense of verb to be is. So he was late last night. So to make yes-no question, you must start with verb to be was. Okay, so was he late last night? And question mark. Okay, so that is the way how you make yes-no question when you see the sentence with verb to be. So everyone, please take you have to take a special note when a sentence with verb to be, you make yes-no question with verb to be also. Okay, so do not use do or does or whatever. Okay, so I observe that a lot of students they use like that. Okay, you are a student. Do you a student? Okay, so it's not. Okay, so with verb to be, yes-no with verb to be. Now, another case, other main verbs. So when you see the sentence with use other main verbs, you must use helping verb do or does to make yes-no question if it is in present simple. But if it is in past tense, you use did to make yes-no question. So please analyze together. She danced well. She danced well. Okay, so the main verb in the sentence is dance. Okay, dance. So dance in present simple. So to make yes no question, how can you make it? You use is? No, because in this sentence there is no is. Do not use it. Yes, you use does. Okay, helping verb does. The main verb are the main verbs. Dance are the main verbs. Okay, so we use does in the sentence. Yes, no question. Does she dance well? Yes. So then he become best verb. Okay. The other sentence. You speak English. You speak English. So the main verb is speak. So speak, it is in present simple. Okay. So how can you make yes no question? Are you? No, because the sentence we don't have verb to be, so we do not use yes no question with verb to be. Okay. Does you? No, it's really wrong. Okay, so the correct word we use do. Okay. Do you speak English? Okay. Do you speak English? That is the correct ways. Okay. Another one. He went to Thailand. He went to Thailand. Okay. So the main verb in the sentence is went. Okay, went. So went is the past tense of go. Okay. So to make yes no question, we use helping verb does. No, because in past tense, do, no, it's wrong. We use did. Sorry, we use did. Okay. So did he go? Because that part is base verb. Did he go to Thailand? Yeah. Did he go to Thailand? Okay. So again, when the sentence is with the main verbs, we use do or does when it is in present simple, like dance or speak. We use did in past tense, like went. Okay. So let's move to the last part. Okay. The last part. Okay. Modal verbs. Yeah, modal verbs or modal auxiliary verbs. Okay. So in the last part, when you see a sentence start with the modal verbs, to make yes no question, it starts with the modal verbs. Okay, in the sentence. Never use is or never use does to make yes no question. Okay, so let's read example. You can play a guitar. You can play a guitar. Okay, so modal verb is can. Okay, main verb is play. But when you see a sentence with modal verb, to make yes no question, please start with the modal verb. Okay, so in this sentence we have modal verb can, so please start your yes no question with can. Okay, so you can play a guitar. You start with can. Okay, can you play a guitar? Yeah, can you play a guitar? Okay, good. So move to the other sentence. They will visit us soon. They will visit us soon. Okay, so the modal verb is will. Okay, main verb is visit.